Happy holidays guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. Today I'm gonna share with you guys a simple and a beautiful centerpiece ideas. It's very simple, it's very unique, and it's Christmas, so it's very colorful. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I just recently went to dollar store and I did my shopping over there for my Christmas decor, and you guys will be able to watch that video. I'll link down below everything on my comment section. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well as Twitter. That way you guys will be able to see everything, all the updates about the Christmas. You guys, I'm so excited. Let's get started. I got this beautiful tray with the rhinestones on the side from a Dollar Tree, and you can see this is the fake snowflakes. I got the snowflakes from Dollar Tree as well, and I just decided to do this so you guys can see it properly. Also got this candle, which is a pine cone candle from a Dollar Tree. If you guys have watched my previous video, you will be able to see all these things which I got from a Dollar Tree. It was super cheap and it was beautiful guys, and this smells amazing. I decided to put a small snowflake sticker over here, and it looks so cool because it's a shiny glittery sticker. Okay, so the first thing I did was I just kept this over here, the candle. I also got this cranberries and pine cone from Walmart, so I'll just put this one over here, as well as the snowy leaves. It already looks so cool, right guys, because it's very Christmassy already. It has candle, light, snow, everything, and even have some fake leaves, rosemary leaves, which I'm gonna put it this way. And I just took out some of these cranberries and I'll just throw them in like this, just for that look. Also go ahead and use any type of marbles you have, like these ones. I really like these ones because they give a unique shine, or whenever I light up the candle, this looks really cool. So I will go ahead and add some of these marbles. Here is our centerpiece. As you guys can see, it's very Christmassy, colorful. It has everything that is related to Christmas, and it looks really nice. So for this DIY, I got this nice tray from Dollar Store again, and I just kept some snowflakes in there with some cranberries and some marbles. It came along with this tea light holder, like candle holder, and I added the sticker of it looks like J, but that's candy cane, and it came along with this tea light and the tea holder. So the first thing I did, I kept the snowflakes inside with the cranberries and marbles, and there are 3 different holes, like somehow I can see, I think they're called holes over here on the side, and I'll take the other one and put it on the side. Also I got this one, this lantern. I think it's an ornament, but it can be used as a showpiece as well. So it has a light, LED light inside, and it's very sparkly and nice, which would look amazing for the center table or dinner table or something like that. So I'll go ahead and switch this on, and this will go in the middle. That looks gorgeous. That does look gorgeous. And now I'm gonna add this pine cone, the small one over here, as well as the green grass, rosemary, the fake one of course. One will be going here, and the other one will be going here, as well as the snow, leaves with the snow. So this can go in the middle like this. I can take this pine cone away and put this here in the middle. The pine cone can be here. That simple, guys, that simple, but still very classy. That is it, guys. These were the two main centerpieces I wanted to share with you guys. It's very simple, it's affordable, and it looks very nice and Christmassy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give like, subscribe, share and comment to this video, and let me know down below in the comment section which one was your favorite holiday decor. And I will be very happy if you guys will even share some of your ideas with me. And I will be coming up with more Christmas vlogs about the home tour and decor, so do not forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an amazing day ahead. I love you all. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Bye.